So hi everyone. Just look at this question. Read the question once, twice, thrice. But it's very important to read the question. An object of height 10 centimeter is placed 25 centimeter away from the optical center of a converging lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So converging lens means which lens is this? This is convex lens. So draw the convex lens like this. Draw the convex lens. Now in this question, what they are asking actually, this is x is dividing this. Okay, this is aperture. Okay, optical center. This is focus f1, f2f. Clear? This is f2f. So an object of height 10 centimeter, right? Whatever it is given, data is given. Just write that is placed 25 centimeter away from the optical center. It means u will be minus 25. Focal length, since it is converging, so we will take plus 15. Okay. Calculate the image distance, means they are asking v, and height of image actually. So apply the formula and give me the answer. Very easy question. Yeah. Like whenever I'm asking any question, na, sometimes it is happening. Students are thinking it is very easy question, like, and shortly they want to do calculation in mind. So I just want to convey you one thing, like, don't do this. Write properly. You have to write anyway, because once you write, your brain is working active. Your brain is more active when you write. I can do this question within a fraction of second in my mind only, but it won't help you. Okay, so make a habit of writing. Is it okay? So write 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. I think u is given how much? U is minus 25. So 1 upon v comes out to be 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 25. So easily we can solve 15 into 25. You can write like this: 25 minus 15. So v comes out to 15 into 25, and 25 minus 15, how much? Tell me. Do fast. Is it 10? Am I doing right? Check. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 15. How much? 75 by 2. It comes out to be 37.5 centimeter. Okay? Like, it is common sense also. Like, if you check here, focus, this is focal length 15 centimeter. Twice of that, it is 30 centimeter here, up to here 30 centimeter. Our object is placed, u is minus 25. Minus 25 means object is here. Here object. Is it okay? Here object. It is 25. So object is placed in between focus and center of curvature. So image is always real inverted and it is magnified. You can check m will be minus v by u. If you calculate, you will get more than 1. So v comes out to minus 37.5, u comes out to be minus 25. So once you solve, it is more than 1. More than 1 means it is magnified. Magnified. Clear? So I hope this doubt is clear to everyone. If still you have any doubt, you please comment me. And any doubt, like anything, like if you need any mentoring session, any counseling session, if you need whatever help I can do for you people, you can always reach me. Okay, but one thing, like, we have asking, like, image distance we calculate, and height of image formed. So height of image you can easily calculate. Height of object is given, I think, 10 centimeter. So apply the formula. M will be hi by ho minus v by u. HI we need to calculate. HO is 10 above principal axis minus v. Now we write 75 by 2. Don't write decimal value. Why I am telling? Because we have to make our calculation easier. Okay. U comes out to be minus 25. Minus 25. So once you solve, you will get 10 multiply 75 by 2 into 25. 25 threes are 2 fives are. So HI comes out to be, you can check also, 15 centimeter. Now some question like they can ask you to draw the ray diagram also. You can easily draw. You can easily draw. It is magnified. We know that magnified means height of image is more than the height of object. This is our optical center. Focus to F. So object is how much? 10 centimeter. So object is placed here. It is 10 centimeter. We know that image is beyond 2F. F to F. It is here. Image is here. So I draw the image. It is magnified. So I draw. You can check. It is size of object is more than the size of image is more than the size of object is 15. Here it is height of object is 10. Is it okay? So you can easily draw like this. Clear? Like this. First, if you know that the ray diagram, all those things like when the object is here, where should be the image formed? Then always draw the image first. Object is here. Then draw the adjust the ray diagram. Okay, accordingly. So I hope you got, because in the question like they can ask like draw the ray diagram also. Maybe they don't ask, but I have drawn. Just how to draw, you know better. Okay. If you want to write further, like you can give like this. This is where is our U. It is 25 centimeter. Our image formed. It is 37.5. I think this is clear. Thank you.